Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Fender Tremolo Springs is probably one of the most crucial, yet often overlooked, components for any guitarist seeking to unlock the full expressive potential of their instrument, as these small but mighty metal coils are directly responsible for the iconic vibrato effect that has defined countless legendary solos and signature sounds across genres, influencing everything from surf rock to heavy metal and beyond. Number 5. Musiclily Guitar Noiseless Tremolo Springs. Enhance your Fender Stratocaster electric guitar with these noiseless tremolo springs. They are designed to provide optimal tension for your bridge. Crafted from durable alloy metal with a sleek chrome finish, these springs are built to last. They ensure a stable and reliable tremolo system. Installing these replacement springs is a breeze. They are designed for easy setup, allowing you to get back to playing in no time. Specifically designed to fit Fender Stratocaster-style electric guitars. Achieve the perfect tuning stability and tremolo action you desire. This package includes 3 high-quality guitar springs. You'll have spares or can replace multiple springs at once for a complete upgrade. What we like. This set offers a convenient pack of 3 chrome-finished springs. They are designed for easy installation and are a great budget-friendly option. If you're looking for a straightforward replacement or a small upgrade for your Stratocaster, these are a solid choice. What people say. The tremolo springs are a direct replacement for the stock springs on my Stratocaster, fitting perfectly without any modification. These springs provide a smooth and responsive tremolo action, allowing for precise pitch bends and vibrato effects. The material used in the springs ensures durability and consistent tension over time, maintaining tuning stability even with heavy tremolo use. Number 4. Fender American Series Stratocaster Tremolo Arm Tension Springs. Tired of a wobbly tremolo arm? This essential part is designed to keep it perfectly in place. It's a simple fix for a common guitar issue. Specifically engineered for Fender American Series and American Standard Series tremolos. It ensures a snug and reliable fit every time you play. Installation is a breeze. Just insert the spring into the tremolo arm receptacle before attaching the arm. No complex tools or procedures needed. Each package comes with 12 tension springs, so you'll have plenty on hand. This offers great value and ensures you're always prepared. It's compatible with a wide range of Fender instruments. From custom shop and American Series to various Mexican-made models, it's a versatile addition to your gear. What we like. This package provides 12 tension springs specifically designed to help set your tremolo arm in a fixed position. It's compatible with a wide range of Fender American Series and Standard Series tremolos. If you prefer a more stable tremolo arm feel and want a generous supply of springs for various guitars, consider this option. What people say. These springs are a direct replacement for the original Fender springs, ensuring a perfect fit and maintaining the authentic tremolo feel. The tension on these springs is well balanced, allowing for smooth and responsive vibrato action without being too stiff or too loose. The material used in these springs provides excellent durability and consistent performance over time, resisting fatigue even with heavy use. Number 3. Fender American Vintage Tremolo Tension Springs. Get a pack of 5 essential tremolo tension springs. These are designed to keep your guitar's tremolo system in perfect working order. Crafted from high-quality nickel-plated steel, these springs offer durability and reliable performance. They are built to last through countless performances. Specifically designed for Fender's American vintage and custom shop instruments. Ensure a perfect fit and optimal function for your cherished guitar. These springs are crucial for maintaining the proper tension and response of your guitar's tremolo system. Experience smooth and consistent pitch bending. From Fender, the world's leading guitar manufacturer. Trust in their expertise to provide the best parts for your instrument. What we like. Crafted from nickel-plated steel, this pack of 5 springs is ideal for American vintage and custom shop instruments. They offer a premium feel and durability. If you own a vintage-style Fender or a custom shop model and want parts that match its heritage, these are the springs for you. What people say. The tremolo springs are well made and provide excellent sustain. These springs are a perfect fit for Fender Stratocasters and offer smooth tremolo action. The tension on these springs is just right, allowing for precise pitch bending without affecting tuning stability. Number 2. Fender Pure Vintage Stratocaster Tremolo Spring Claw Kit. Bring back the authentic sound of the '54 Stratocaster. This kit provides genuine Fender parts for assembling your vintage tremolo system. Everything you need is included. You'll find tremolo springs, the tremolo claw, and all the necessary mounting screws for a complete setup. Originally introduced on the iconic '54 Stratocaster, this kit is designed to capture that classic feel and performance. Whether you have a vintage masterpiece or a modern instrument, it fits most Stratocaster guitars equipped with tremolo bridges. Restore the original functionality and sonic character of your Stratocaster's tremolo. It's the perfect way to ensure authentic vintage playability. What we like. This is a genuine Fender kit that includes not only the tremolo springs but also the tremolo claw and mounting screws. It's designed to replicate the original '54 Stratocaster tremolo system. If you're restoring a vintage Strat or want to build an authentic vintage-style tremolo setup, this all-in-one kit is perfect. What people say. These springs are a direct replacement for the original Fender springs, ensuring a perfect fit and maintaining the authentic tremolo feel. The tension of these springs is well balanced, allowing for smooth and responsive vibrato action without being too stiff or too loose. They are made from high-quality steel, which contributes to their durability and consistent performance over time. Number 1. Fender Tremolo Tension Springs, 6-pack. Ensure optimal performance for your electric guitar with these essential Fender Tremolo Tension Springs. Designed for precise tuning stability, they are a must-have for any guitarist. These springs feature a durable black oxide finish, providing a sleek look and added protection against corrosion. They are built to last and maintain their integrity through countless performances. As a genuine Fender replacement part, you can trust in the quality and compatibility. They are specifically engineered to fit your Fender electric guitar perfectly. This package includes 6 tension springs, giving you spares or enough to replace all necessary springs at once. Maintain consistent tension across your tremolo system with this convenient pack. Upgrade your guitar's tremolo system with these high-quality springs. They help restore or enhance the responsiveness and feel of your vibrato bar for expressive playing. What we like. Featuring a black oxide finish, this pack of 6 springs offers a sleek look and reliable performance. As a Fender replacement part, you can trust its quality and fit. If you're looking for a standard, reliable replacement with a darker aesthetic for your electric guitar, this pack of 6 is an excellent choice. What people say. The tremolo springs are a direct replacement for the stock springs on my Stratocaster, fitting perfectly without any modification. These springs provide a smooth and responsive tremolo action, allowing for precise pitch bending and vibrato effects. The build quality is excellent, with each spring exhibiting consistent tension and durability, ensuring reliable performance over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.